Hi there, Chris Fox here. I've had a bit of an issue with 6133 and we need to get a starter for it. Well, the starter is going to come off this engine here. And it's a spare one that is in storage right now. Problem is this engine does not have a starter on it, so we can't use that one. So I had to pull the crate apart to get this one, and the starter is right there. Yeah, so we have to get my crane out, take this crate apart a bit more, and lift it up. Once we lift it up, I can take the starter off, put it back down, and then put it back together. But anyway, let's get after it. Okay, we're out here in the rain. Brian Krause.
How's it going, eh?
And we're kind of getting going on this thing. We got it already jacked a little bit, and we're gonna go up a little bit more with it. So yeah, it's what we got to do is what we got to do. So okay, Brian, lift her away.
Alrighty.
Okay, hold her there.
Holding.
You want to put the block in?
No, I'll throw the block in there. Ready?
We're down?
We're down, and a little tension on the chain.
Perfect. All right, so let's get after the starter. Should be able to get at that now. Remember, this thing is 5,200 pounds. So it's quite, there's the starter. And in there, to get those bolts off. Right there. All right. Let's get after it. I can't get at it. I'm gonna have to change it up. Let's see if this here actually is gonna do the trick. Oh, looky.
That's a beautiful thing.
That's an excellent thing. Okay, one more. I don't know. It's from the other side, eh?
Yeah, but I don't know how you're gonna get at it.
I don't know. We're gonna have to see. Well, there's the starter, and that's what we're up against. And we got to get the other side. Okay, it's out. And I know we didn't get the actual taking it out part, but it took both of us an absolute. Yeah, I don't want to say that. Yeah, there's children watching. Holy crow. Okay, so what we had to end up doing is we had to literally had to take the nose cone off and to get it out past, or else we would have had to remove the oil pump or the oil cooler, and there's no way we were doing that. So taking this off gave us the actual flexibility that we needed to get it around the back. This was hitting on the back of the oil cooler, which is right here, and the design of this was kind of not field serviceable, but we were able to make it field serviceable. So it's cleanup time now, and we get to redo this. We have separated the armature out of, we're going to pull this off and take a look and make sure the armature and stuff's okay. And I may actually, since it's apart right now, have a look at it, but
And life.
okay, so we've got the starter out of the machine, and what we're doing now is we're going to go through it and clean it up. We have a little bit of rust here. which is typical of a starter that's been sitting around for a while. This is a Bendix style starter. So what it actually does is when the torque of the motor starts, it throws this out, engages it, and then when the engine starts, it spins it back. So it's kind of a real neat system. When we pulled it apart, we're gonna take the brushes out now, the back end of the starter itself, and we're just gonna go over it and make sure it's okay. We're gonna measure these out so that we find out whether or not if there's any flash points or bad points or anything else like that. So yeah, we'll just carry on with this probably another day. We'll test it, and then once we get it tested, we'll throw it back in 33 and hope for the best on this one.